Hey viewers, Chris Atkins here. I'm still in Texas and we're checking out self-serve car washes. I don't know if you saw my last video, but it was completely shut down. That's what I like. So now I'm at an open, functioning self-serve car wash. We're gonna test it out. Wasn't too far from my hotel. It's in Midlothian, like the other car wash. From first looking at it, it looks decent. Looks like he keeps it clean, but why talk about it? I gotta show you it. So let's go to the bill changer. Let's get some change. Let's start this thing up and wash the truck. So let's go ahead, get some change, test the bill changer. So far so good. It took the bill and it should give me some change. All right, quarters. So I'll be curious what they charge here in Texas. California, the norm is like $3. $2 cheap now in California. $3 is common. $4 is also getting up there. So looking at the bay first glance, we have a 12 function rotary switch. That's crazy, 12. But I see things they're already missing, already losing money. What could it be? Take a guess. Tap. There's no credit card, so that's a huge money loss right there. I would also add in bill acceptors to accept bills in the bays because I love bills in the bays. It reduces quarters, reduces coins, takes pressure off the bill changers because they don't have to use it. So for those long-time viewers, you know that I like all forms of payment. We cannot have any bays down. If this gets a coin jam, this bay's done. There's no other way to pay. It's impossible. You can't tap the card, there's no credit card readers, and you can't put the bill in. So one coin jam, which happens quite often, puts this bay out of business. No bueno. I see 3 hoses in the bays because I know how to count. 1, 2, 3. They got the hog's hair brush, which is good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is someone trying to get every inch out of this brush? Please, somebody change it. If I had a brush head in my truck, which I usually do at my other one at home, I would change it for him because that's hard to deal with. And then it looks like you got some sort of triple foam, pre-soak, bug cleaner, whatever it is. We're gonna find out on the face plate in a second. We got 6 vacuums out the back. You got the shade, which is very nice because here in Texas, like right now today, it's very hot. You got a car mechanic store right next door, which is always a good thing. And then here is the high pressure gun. It's a weep gun, so it should weep. So that's enough talking, Joe. Let's get these quarters in. $2, so that's cheap. Let's see how much time we get. If it's $4, I mean 4 minutes, then that's pretty good. $2 for 4 minutes. That's what I was charging 5 years ago when I first opened up. Oh. But if it's any more than 4 minutes, then this is, 4 minutes. There we go. Put a little extra in because there's so many functions, and that's why I say, if they only had 4 or 5 functions, I wouldn't be putting extra money in. But now he's taking all my money. Tire cleaner. Again, I like to have tire cleaner out of a separate hose with a separate brush so you can scrub the tires, because how much time have I wasted? Probably like 30 seconds and I've got nothing yet. So this is tire cleaner. This is very poor, very weak. No chemical coming out, no brush to scrub the tire with. So that's a thumbs down for the tire cleaner. Come on, Texas. Everything's supposed to be better. Engine degreaser, that's gonna be the same thing. Boogs, where are the boogs coming out? It'd be nice if it was that one, but it's not this one because I don't hear jack coming out of it. It's probably the gun again, but again, nothing really coming out. Come on, Texas, everything's supposed to be bigger. That's chemical. You can see it's green, but there's no air, there's nothing. It's just, okay. It's the first one in Texas. It's the first one. I can let it go. There's plenty of other self-serve car washes around. So that's 3, 0 for 3, 0 for 3, pre-soak. Is it going to come out of there or is it going to come out of there? Nothing out of there, so let's try here. Okay, we got a little more pressure. We probably got 40 psi right now. That's still tire cleaner, bug cleaner. That's not the pre-soak chemical. Well, I hope it's not anyway. I'm gonna have to cut this out. Come on, guys, come on now. All right, now you can hear the air. You can see the chemical changing to the pre-soak. Very weak, very lousy. I mean, it's gonna cover the car, yes. It's running down, you can see that. But again, not impressive. Okay, I'm gonna say 0 for 4. High pressure, here we go. Now we've got some action going on. Little fluttery, so there might be debris in the cap pump. Okay, clear the lines, and then here's the soap, Texas boy. There we go. High pressure soap. I would turn it up slightly. A little bit weak. We got stuff coming out, so hey, I got to give him 1. 4 to 1. Oh, soap brush. What do you all think the soap brush is gonna be like? That's the big test, the soap brush. How is it coming out? I'm looking at it, I can see it. You guys can't see it. Okay, we have soap. We have soap. We don't have a brush. We got the soap, but we don't have the soap brush. Scrub-a-dub-dub in the rental truck. Okay, it's not bad. If they had a brand new brush head on there and the bristles were 4 to 4.5 inches long, that would be phenomenal. Okay, 4 to 2. 4 no and 4 good. Okay, high pressure rinse. Ooh, hot. Tricolor conditioner. It's hot. And it should definitely come out of here, but oh. It's trying. It needs some fiber. Maybe little laxatives? Or too many laxatives, either one. But it's definitely not. There we go. So it took a little time. Very watery, it needs more air. Definitely turn the air up. But if it's a tricolor, then it's gonna switch between 3 different flow jets, 3 different tanks, 3 different tip sizes, so probably going to change every 10 seconds differently, and we haven't seen any colors yet. It's been the same one color, so it's really pointless. So it goes good, bad, because it's switching between the flow jets, different tanks, different consistency of the soap. So again, that's pretty lousy. Yes, there's soap coming out, going on the car, but it's not a beautiful fan, which is what we want. And to keep it blocked off like that, you put that in there, and yes, it doesn't come out, but where's it going? Is it just gonna fill up and overflow? Like, that doesn't make me feel too comfortable. That doesn't put me at ease. Like, where is it going? Man, I gotta change it. That's making me awkward. Ooh, 2 minutes left. Hot clear coat. Why is everything hot here? And is it actually hot? Take some more of my money, buddy. I'm all about supporting self-serve car wash owners. Just take it all. I don't want it. All right, hot clear coat. Should I feel it? See if it's hot? It's warm. It's not hot, but okay, it's warming up. Maybe it is hot. It's pretty warm. I mean, it's very hot out today. I don't know if it's just the heat from the sun heating up the lines, but looks like the lines are in the shade under the roof. And again, there's a little bit coming out, you can see it, but I would turn it up slightly just so customers are like, wow, he's so generous, good for him, versus, is it coming out? Yeah, it's coming out, but you know, you don't want to question it. You want it to be a guarantee. Okay, that's a good amount. Okay, yeah, that's good. Probably a perfect amount. Yeah, I wouldn't change that. And it is hot, wow. It's actually the first time I think I've been, no, it's not. That's a lie. Rain-X Complete Surface Protectant. Look at all these new functions. Might have to take some of these ideas and take it back to Cali with me, but I wouldn't know. I can't test it. Doesn't work. No Rain-X Clear Coat Protectant. Spot-free rinse. Is there going to be spot-free rinse? With pressure. Okay, we have something coming out. It's probably about 60 PSI, very weak. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this truck down and then recap it. So I will say it's a very nice structure. I mean, look at the roof. It's beautiful, you know, you can run the hoses along the roof out of the sun. You don't have to do it on top of the roof in the sun through PVC piping. It's just all right there. Big metal steel beam. I like the structure, it's nice. It's not the ugliest. Paint's pretty good. People aren't coming here because of the paint. In-bay functions is where it's at. They need a little work. I'm not gonna lie, Texas. These in-bay functions need some work. If all of them worked, customers would use them for way longer, spend way more money. You'd be selling more time in the bays because that's what we do, we sell time. And the car would be completely covered in soap. It would take them longer to get it off, and they would spend maybe $6, $7, $8 on a truck like this, maybe 10, versus 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's decently sized. It's got the 4 self-serve bays, and then we have a in-bay automatic. Welcome to 6, 8, 10, 12. Almost like mine, 6, 9, 12 for me, but they've split it up. But look at this. So it's a touch, and it's a Mark 7. Look at this machine. Pretty soft, pretty good. You got tie cleaners there. Mark 7. Again, I've never had one of these. You can see the triple foam lines. I wouldn't bring my truck through here, that's just me. But I'm sure it does pretty decent. Why wouldn't it? So let's go ahead, test the vacuums. Ooh, 75 cents. Thank you, Texas. It doesn't have that California tax, huh? Again, I'm $1 at mine. My newest car wash, I'm $2. So 75 cents is a good deal. And it works, yeah. Truck's pretty clean, so let's just try it for fun. See if I can get up that. Oh yeah, it works good. The rental car won't even have to clean my truck. I'm gonna go to like 10 different car washes. You're welcome. This guy actually has a sink and it works. Customers like the sinks, but unfortunately, especially in California where mine are located, it brings a bad element. Vending machine right near the vacuums, which are good. A lot of car washes, they have them like on the wall over there or at the front of the car wash, like mine. But it's good to have them right near the vacuums because this is where people clean the inside of their car. It's where they wipe the car down. So to have it right here is very convenient. And I would say the cleanup guy didn't come today yet. A little bit of trash here, bins are full, but I'm sure he's on his way and give it a good clean, ready for a busy day. 2 customers as of now. Still early, I'm sure he does okay. So that's another car wash, we're out of here. Let's give it a quick little wrap up. Out of the vacuum noise. So just to wrap up that car wash here in Midlothian, Texas. After looking at the maps, I saw 2 self-serve car washes here in Midlothian. So that's one of them, the other one's a few minutes away. And again, there's a closed down one. So there should be 3, but there's only 2. Good for the current owners, bad for the person who's not making any money from that car wash, the landlord. So having only one other competition in this area. I wouldn't mind checking them out. If they're really good, he's probably getting most of the customers. If they're average, like this car wash, then they're probably just sharing the whole customers of Midlothian. But again, 12 function rotary switch, it's great, it's good, but it's only good if the functions work. If there's 12 function rotary switch and only 3 or 4 things work, then what's the point? You basically have a 3 or 4 function rotary switch. So that's what I'm saying. Everything has to work, and if it doesn't work, just fix it. If it's $1,000, pay it, fix it, just get it working. The customers will use it. It'll come back in, what's the word? Ear folds, drum folds. It'll come back in folds. But the tire cleaner really didn't work. The bug off didn't really work. The degreaser was the same thing, so that didn't work. There's 3 functions right there that are no good. The high pressure soap, that was fine, that was good. The soap brush, the soap was coming out, it was good, I'll take that. But you gotta change them brush heads. That's like probably 6 weeks overdue. Change that brush head, put a new one on, $70, done. It'll last another 3-4 months. Depends how busy you are. Hopefully it lasts 1 month, because that means you're really busy. And moving on to the wax, there was like 2 different waxes or 3. There was the triple foam conditioner wax. That was coming out very average. Yes, there was soap coming out, it was going on the car, but why not get it in a nice big fan? So that was average. That can be probably easily fixed. Next we had the clear coat protectant, which was the high pressure wax. That came out decent, you know, I'll take that all day. That was probably almost perfect amount. And then you had the Rain X. It didn't work, so I couldn't test it out, which I really wanted to, because you don't see that at self-serve car washes too often. Rain X, I don't have that at mine. And then the Spot Free, which was coming out, it was very weak, so it would take quite a long time to do the whole car, especially if it's a big truck like this. So overall, there was probably 4, maybe 5 functions that I could use. And again, he's probably had it for quite a while, and if things go down, he just fixes it when he wants to. Otherwise, he just lets it go. He's like, well, there's plenty of other functions they can use. But anyway, that's another car wash in Midlothian, Texas. Till the next video, see you guys next time.